Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone location services not working. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, firstly restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. Then drag this slider to the right. After restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen here, and then the next solution is enable location services globally for all apps. For this, open settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, and then enable location services on your iPhone. So guys, after this, go back, and then the next solution is update your iOS version to the latest. So for this, open settings, tap on scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update. If you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS, so simply update your iPhone to the latest version if the update is available on your iPhone. So check for update your iPhone. So it's checking, so update is available, so simply update your iPhone to the latest version. And then the next solution is check if background app refresh is enabled. So if you have disabled the background app refresh, first enable it, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, tap on background app refresh here, and then tap on Wi-Fi and cellular data. Go back now and go back, and the next solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general here, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and then tap on reset all settings here. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on the red button, reset all settings here, and then go back. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone location services not working issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.